Today's information technology has helped us with everything from going to the grocery store all the way to shopping online. It has assisted us and made with making our lives a lot more streamlined and a lot more productive. A lot of people back then couldn't do a lot of things that we do now. Hi, my name is Salam Sak Manavong, and today I'll be discussing my IT governance plan for our organization. Currently, our organization is within the military is purpose is also to train and also to carry out the daily missions that the Air Force has provided us. Now, with being in charge of training new cadets and trainees, we also have to make sure that when we in process and out process these cadets, all their personal data are secured. Now, with that, information security is one of the biggest thing that we have within the organization and in the IT department. To make sure that everything works perfectly as it should without any troubles, what we do is pretty much we try to come up with any type of plan or strategy that will assist with that. And this is where the IT governance plan come into play. Now, the benefits of an IT governance plan is that it assists with the organization as a whole. Now, assisting with the organization as a whole, meaning that it goes all the way from the hardware aspect to the software aspect, from our IT department all the way to the human resources and everything else under the branches. Now, to make sure that our cadets and our instructors, as well as leaders, uh, to assist them with understanding with what's going on within our unit and our organization, we have to make sure that security is a priority. Now, that being said, first we make sure the hardware is set in stone and it is good to go with everyday usage. Now, also to go into the software aspect, we have to make sure that the software that we use are secure as well. By doing so, have to set up a user login for everyone, every single person that accesses a government computer, by giving them a username and login ID. Username and login ID securely provide them with a distinct user interface for everyday login. Now, they can go log in at home, they can log in at work if they want to, if they need to use a government computer. If not, they can use their own personal computer at home as well. Now, by creating these IT plans, it takes a tremendous amount of work and also a lot of time. By incorporating a lot of what we have already from the past and what we have now, we include leadership, instructors, as well as past cadets that have graduated from our school, and we acquire feedback on what we need to improve and what we can improve in our IT department. To strengthen the IT governance plan, we make sure that we have first risk assessments and also our goal. Now, the overall goal of having the IT governance plan in place for the organization is to make sure that our security is solid. Now, breaches happen every single day, in whether it's in the civilian world or the government or pretty much anywhere. You can go anywhere, you get hackers. I mean, just try to attack. But with the plan in place, what it does is that it provides technicians and anyone that has a hand in the IT process to follow, and they have a guideline to pretty much back up their entire processes. Now, and with the steps that we do, is that it does set up a process for everyone to do, meaning step one all the way to step 100. If there was an issue to occur, everyone would know what to do from A to B. Now, if there are no breaches, we know that we've done a great job with preventing the hacks from happening and any security breaches from occurring. Now, by implementing the IT governance plan after it's created, it definitely will provide a backbone for any IT technicians, anyone that's using our system, and it allows them to have a peace of mind pretty much. And also leadership, when they do come down to us and ask us, say, hey, what would you all like to do, or what is the necessary required improvement within the IT department for the organization, we can say we need all new equipment next year, and this is how we will get them. So we provide all the required information, the data that we've had throughout the months and years, and that will give them an idea of how much money they can give us to purchase new equipment next year and for IT refresh. Now, the overall goal and pretty much success that we try to achieve is making sure that our IT system is pretty much a wall. Now, we by putting up a firewall between any breaches, we slow down those attacks, not necessarily preventing them, but slowing them down. Now, by slowing them down, we allow technicians and coders to go in and detect the defects in those codes and pretty much make sure that when they do find out and see what's going on, they can stop them or remove them. By removing and stopping those defects, we pretty much have a secure line, and we have everyone able to access the government network securely at work and also at home when they use computer. And now, pretty much, just to sum up, the IT governance plan that I'm implementing within our unit will assist us with making sure we get new equipments whenever we need to upgrade, making sure that our network is secure for everyone that's using, all the personnel, whether it ranges from instructors, new trainees, or leadership that would like to come and access our computers at work. And if if the future has better technology for us, which it will, and will streamline and pretty much come up with new ideas to help make sure that our unit work better, the operational world will definitely be a better place with what we have now and also more to come in the future. Thank you.